Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, and as they are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So let's get started, Leos. Let's see what we have for Leos. Okay, we have the Six of Pentacles on your side, Page of Pentacles on your person's side. Let's see what's the most likely outcome. Wow, the Wheel of Fortune. So far, so good. So, the Six of Pentacles on your side, you are trying to balance this situation, equal give and take in the relationship. Here with the Page of Pentacles, your person wants to have a new beginning. There is communication which is starting up perhaps. And here also, I think it is a small effort, a balanced sort of an effort is going on. Slow and steady wins the race type of a scenario here. And with the Wheel of Fortune, things are moving on, things are moving ahead. I think the relationship is moving quite steady. Slow and steady wins the race. That is the scenario here, as I've already told you. Okay, now let's see why is this Six of Pentacles here for. Okay, we have the Devil, the Five of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. What's this? Why is this Five of Pentacles here for Leos? Here we have the Strength, the Six of Pentacles, the Magician. Let's see why is this Wheel of Fortune here for as the most likely outcome. Ace of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Tower. Okay. I'll take some more cards later on. First, I'll start the reading. So here, with the Devil, the Five of Pentacles and the Four of Swords, what I feel here is with the Five of Pentacles and the Four of Swords, you are balancing this relationship also, and you're balancing your life also. Somebody here with the Five of Pentacles, the Devil and the Four of Swords. So what I feel here is this person here needs some time for themselves. Okay, this person has gone through a lot. They have a history. They've been upset. They've been perhaps maybe even they felt left out in the cold. This person is depressed and has been through a time when this person was very, maybe even rejected, ignored, something like that. Not necessarily in this relationship, but this person has a history of that in their life. And with the Four of Swords, this person needs time, and that is why they are being very cautious and very guarded, and they are going slow. And here with the Devil card, what I feel here is this person is scared that this relationship may again not manifest, not move ahead in a proper way perhaps, and they are fearful of the fact that it may repeat, the story may be repeated once again. That is what this person has on their mind. Okay, they are fearful of the fact that again this relationship may not also be successful. They won't be able to manifest this relationship also. So maybe that is a pattern which they are fearful of, that again same thing may happen, again I'll be rejected, maybe this person will also leave me, something of that sort. And that is why this person is moving very slow. And here with the Strength, the Six of Pentacles and the Magician, this person seems to be quite determined to have a new beginning. Okay, this person seems to be, this person is determined. They have the resources, they have the will, they are totally glued and totally interested to make this happen. And with the Six of Pentacles on this side also, and Six of Pentacles here also, this person is interested in balancing it. This person has the patience, perhaps they really want it. This person really wanted, they have the patience to deal with your anxiety. Perhaps they are ready to give you the time you need. Okay, so but this person really wants to have a new beginning with you, Leos. And as far as this outcome is concerned, somehow we have the Ace of Wands, the Five of Swords and the Tower. So things are moving in your favor. Things are the relationship is moving, as I said, with the Wheel of Fortune, with the Ace of Wands, definitely a new beginning. But with the Five of Swords in the Tower, with the Five of Swords again, maybe suddenly there is some conflict with the Tower and the Five of Swords. Maybe suddenly there is some event happens, some argument happens, something happens over here unexpectedly, which is a source of some argument, conflict, something. Let's see. I'll just see what else is there over here. Okay, anyway, we have the Sun following it. Sun, the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Swords. So definitely what I feel is there is unexpected fight, unexpected argument, something happens over here, but it is, and which causes a lot of anxiety. But I think you will regain the control, because after the Tower there is the Sun card. So see, this argument can be about this new beginning also, maybe. And you are not ready for the relationship, perhaps fully committed. You feel that something wrong will happen in the relationship, and that is the cause of argument. Because ultimately we have the Sun card also, which is, so argument is actually yielding a positive result. Okay, it can be an unexpected dispute over here. Something can be there, but it is giving a positive outcome with the Sun card, definitely. So it can be a transient anxiety. That's what I feel for some reason. Let's see if there is anything else for Leos in this scenario. Yeah, we have the Seven of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Two of Swords. Death and rebirth. Yeah, I think this is something unexpected which is happening, an unexpected argument which happens, but ultimately it is coming out to be positive. Ultimately it will, it won't cause that breakup, something. It is okay. It is okay. Here we have the Seven of Wands. So somebody here needs some time. Somebody here needs to spend some time alone. With the Ace of Swords, this person, and with the Two of Swords, definitely there is something, some, this person needs some time to decide. That's what I feel. There is some sort of a decision which has to be made. It is a transition time. This person needs some time to make a decision. Things will get better, but maybe this person is willing to make a move. This person maybe tries to make a move pretty fast and wants the other person to commit, and this person is not ready for commitment, and that is the right, sorry, that is the cause of this fight and argument. But ultimately whatever the anxiety is on this part or that part, on both of your parts, but ultimately this person is ready for the new beginning, needs some time to decide. And with the Death and Rebirth, I see that give time to this relationship. It will flourish. Don't be in haste. Don't rush in towards this relationship. It will happen. The other person just needs some time, because this person with the Four of Swords is in the healing energy. This person needs time to heal. Okay, relationship patterns number 32 or number 5 may be of some significance. Relationship pattern, it takes strength to recognize the need for change. So this has relationship patterns, which I said with the Devil card also, and here also it has come as the guidance. So you really need to understand this, that things do change, things will change, and it just depends on the person who you are dealing with. So, okay, so maybe similar things have happened with this side person, whosoever this person is, that maybe repeatedly they've been attracting similar kind of people, men or women, whosoever they are. um, Maybe you are attracting similar types of relationships, and every time you had a heartbreak, so that was the cause. You felt rejected every time, you felt hurt every time, because you were attracting similar sort of people. And it's good that you're taking it slow this time. You need to heal. Okay, and once you are able to understand that you are attracting similar people time and again, you will be able to break that chain. And then here what I feel is, this is the person who shows up in the right way, and but the only thing is, you just need time to understand and realize and break this pattern also with the Death and Rebirth, and understand this thing, that you need to change certain things, and right people are there who are ready to commit. Okay, and I think that is the only thing which is causing this dispute over here with the outcome, but I think it will yield a positive outcome. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.